He volgut comprar un llibre de l'Artur, un llibre que suposo que el coneixereu. Aquest és un autor català que és Josep Maria Espinàs. A mi m'agraden molt els llibres dels seus viatges, sobretot els viatges per Castella, per Matarranya. He llegit diversos d'ell i sempre m'han agradat molt. I aquest, que es diu El meu ofici, he pensat que estava molt bé, sobretot per la persona que anava dirigida, que és el meu marit. I jo crec que és una de les vocacions que té.
Bé, avui, com és públic i notori, com es veu perfectament, estem en plena diada de Sant Jordi, aquí a la Rambla de Catalunya de Barcelona, i concretament en l'estand de Convergència. I aleshores tenim una visita il·lustre en aquest estand, que és la senyora Kerstin Lundgren, que és diputada del Parlament suec. I, a més, una persona connectada amb la Internacional Liberal, i concretament amb la Internacional de Dones Liberals, no? Per tant, també amb la companyia de la Joaquim Alemany. I aleshores ella m'ha dit que estava molt impressionada per veure els carrers d'aquesta manera, a les nostres ciutats, en els nostres pobles, i ara jo, si m'ho permeteu, i en anglès que ella ho entendrà millor, doncs li explicaré, res, en 30 segons, què és la diada de Sant Jordi. We are very happy for your visit here among us in Barcelona and Catalonia. As you can realize, this is a great celebration, probably one of the greatest celebrations in the year, called Sant Jordi Day. Sant George is the patron saint of our country, of Catalonia, and according to the celebration, it is a long tradition for people to gather in the streets, in different streets of the cities, of the small villages of the country, and the tradition also says that men offers roses to women. So let me give you a red rose.
Thank you.
And women buy books for men. But this is the first time you know this tradition, so next time you have to buy a book for me.
Thank you.
And proper
I
book
promise. I promise I will.
Thank you very much.
I promise I will. Thank you very much.
Bé, ella també us voldria adreçar, em sembla, unes paraules.
Interesting to be here and see all the people celebrating. Seems to be very happy to be together, come together, and it's also very interesting this rose and the books for the man. I hope you will have many during the day, and that all the women will have roses and all the men will have books. And that all the people of Catalonia will have a great Sant Jordi Day, because it seems to be a very, very important day for all of you. And I think it's very important that we make use of those possibilities to celebrate and to come together, and also to have some small chat when we are meeting together in the streets like this. And you have balloons here. And of course, that is also a possibility for the whole family to come together. And a great celebration day for you all. And thank you for
Thank you very much indeed. Thank you.